road users in Linden Ituni and Kwakwani can breathe a sigh of relief, as maintenance works have now started following a delay by the rainy weather. Public Infrastructure Minister David Patterson recently inspected the ongoing works, and our team was with him.
In May, the Guyana Geology and Mines Commissions awarded 6 road contracts valued over $650 million for the maintenance of several roads, including the Linden Ituni Kwakwani Road. However, the projects were delayed due to intense rainfall that made the road impassable and works impossible. Minister of Public Infrastructure David Patterson.
I had at that time explained and apologized for the late start, but I confirmed and I came to that the contractors had started. And the plan that we had in place, as you would have seen, is several heaps of laterite and stockpile that you would see now, amongst of them. We've been stockpiling all of 2017 with the real idea that whenever we would give a contractor and it'd be right there at the road, so therefore we'll be able to maintain it immediately all year round, so therefore there'll be no delays. So we had everything in train. Somehow or the other we dropped the ball. I mean, collectively I'm not going to blame anybody because all are consumed. So the idea was but we're going to do that in 2019.
The road is the main artery not only for residents but for logging and timber concessions. Minister Patterson stated that the long-term plan is to transform it into a concrete road.
We do have a long-term goal of making it an all-weather road. I mean, asphaltic, concrete, whatever it is, rigid or flexible, so that it could be traversable by all users when it rains, during all types of weathers. So, but that obviously is something we have to work towards. I mean, the studies have been done. It's just a question of financing, which we're working on.
Minister Patterson also met with Ituni residents to hear their concerns and share his 2019 plans for their community. Following concerns raised, he pledged his support to improve drainage, to provide tires for the ambulance, and address the garbage situation. He also assured that the other issues raised, which pertained to other ministries, will be relayed to the relevant ministers. Renetta LaFleur for InfoHub.